You probably don't even know what an ice storm is, but we had 1/4 of an inch ice in this area. This is from a beer can that I had there before it started. Lifted it up, and basically what's going on is look at the grill. We didn't get any snow with this, but you don't need snow to have a winter storm warning. There was a lot of accidents. I'm going to take you kind of a walk around, crack this here in a minute. Just tons of accidents on the roads. I guess they don't like it. It's so slick here. I want to show you guys something. This is a brick. I don't know if you can see the glaze of ice on this brick here. I want to show you guys something. I'm going to put this on the patio. I'm going to slide it across. That's a 3-pound brick. A block of wood. Makes this stuff so deadly, man. You can't walk on it. Look. You gotta walk like a duck. Here's the fire pit. Tremendous glaze of ice on there and pretty much everything else. And we walk over here to the listen to the crunch. Here's what the trees look like here. Ice everywhere. Luckily I didn't lose any trees, but you can see how they're kind of weighted down with the ice. Everything's covered. The sound it makes. So anyway, the point of this video is tonight they're calling for severe thunderstorms with damaging winds, large hail, possible, and even isolated tornadoes. So we basically we go from freezing rain, ice storms, winter storm warnings, and to possible tornadoes with damaging winds and large hail in a course of just one day, basically 24 hours. God, is that slick. I'm going to go on the porch. We'll kick this here in a minute. Look at this. That is solid ice. Ice is on everything. Tarps. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Black ice, man. What makes this stuff so deadly is that, see if you look real close right here, it doesn't look like there's nothing on this tarp, does it? Now watch. Imagine driving on there on the road and it looks like an ordinary road service. Look at that. And then running into something like that. That's why there were so many accidents. Look at this. We didn't get any snow, but that's what freezing rain does. Ice storms are terrible, man. One lady actually, what happened was there was this guy in a white Dodge Ram in the local area here. He come around a corner on a notorious corner and slid on the ice the other day. He took out a telephone pole and brought down the live power lines, and then he left the scene. A few minutes later, a woman in an SUV with her children on board hit that power lines. A car caught on fire. She was able to get out with her kids and escape death. Seconds before, after she got out, the car burst into flames and burned up to a shell. So, pretty bad, you know. Even my boat motor's got ice on it. Look at that. Well, at least my other boat, it's in storage. It's always kept in dry storage. This one still runs good. I'll have to get that out this spring. I might sell that one. But yeah. I'm taking the front yard, but look at the glaze here, people. Everything's coated in ice. Pretty bad. Chairs. Everything's in a tomb of ice here. Look at this, you can't even lift up the chair. Everything's frozen. These plants ain't gonna come back next year. So I'm gonna pause it for now and go in the front. I want to show you this American flag and then we'll chug a beer for you guys. Pine trees. That's not snow, it's just ice everywhere. So basically it's going to warm up today. We go from ice storms to severe thunderstorms, hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes in one day. Any of you guys experience something like that in a short amount of time? Almost a 25 degree temperature rise in a day. Big storm coming up, cold front. So see what she's up to. Even she had problems on this patio. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'm going to pause and take you in the front. Freezing fog today. Okay, here's the flag I told you guys here. The other part of the video. Look at this, listen. Look. This flag is completely, you know, it doesn't even look like there's anything on this flag, does it? That's what makes freezing rain and, you know, ice storms so dangerous. You can't see it. You're driving along and all of a sudden you hit a patch of this stuff. Look. This flag, look at this. It's complete ice. Look. Stiff as a board. Man. That is something else. Got me a beer. Chug this. All right. So, possible tornadoes late tonight. Storm's supposed to come through around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. There's ice everywhere. Crazy. That's it for now, people. 81 pennies.